Today we're gonna cut off this mini Tamiya of this Quickrun 16 BL30. There you see it. It's 2 to 3 as sleepo. So we're gonna change this mini Tamiya to this one, Dean's. And we're gonna do that by soldering. And that's always fun. So let's get cracking. First off, we are going to cut off this connector. Like so. Now you have these parts going to one on that one and one on the other. So first we just need to cut open a little bit here. There you see. Like this. So now we have two loose ends. I like to keep them up so they're like free and the metal just runs through them. So I think the red one is going on this one. We're gonna have to take one of this one, shrinking thing, and put it on like so. And then I just usually press it down like so. I take the solder embroidery thingy, press it down like so. Take this shit, the metal, and I just put it on there. Not too much. And there you have it. One soldered on. Pretty good, I would say. So that's the first one. Then we take it off. Damn. Watch it, because this thing gets hot as hell. If you can say that. Remember, now you have this sock on that you can put over. Now we're just gonna strap it on the other one. Now I almost forgot to put this on. If you forget to put this on, it will be open, and that's not good. Like so. Just checks all the threads are in place. Just the same thing, and just take the soldery thingy, the hot magic reducer. I just put it. It's much easier if you can get it to lay down. You know, get it to lay down for you. If you could just stay like that. It's not good for you to see like that, but like this. Like this, like that, like this, and that. Just take it down, push it down with a soldering thing, because you want all the metal to get hot. Just like that. And we're done. Remember to always pull out the plug. If you don't pull out the plug, it will still be hot. And that's not cool, man. So just push it off, twirl, 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 and there you have it. Fuck me. You see? I wasn't paying attention. This one is on, but the other one has gone off. So we have to do that over again. Put this one on, so this one gets hot. Put your camera up. I have a spare one, it's here, it's quite long. I don't know if we need that long. Oh well. Of course it's here. Found it. So to get it off, that's good, because then I can just show you how to get this one off. If you soldered it on, you just put the solder right here. Okay, it's not hot enough. You just have to wait a little bit. So you just take the solder.
Lådan.
Det funkar inte.
Funkar det inte?
Jag vet inte. Den är jättevarm här uppe. Men där är den inte varm. Vad ska du göra nu?
Eller vad är det som inte funkar?
Jag ska ta loss den.
Ja, du ska ta loss den.
Den sitter ju fast här.
Har den inte kontakt?
Jo, den är jättevarm här.
Vad ska du ta loss den för då?
För att jag har inte den här på.
Jaha. Ja.
Så jag vet inte vad det är för fel.
Har du...
Var det fler sådana toppar eller?
Nej.
Nej, det är varm.
Ja.
Men inte tillräckligt varm för att den här går inte liksom, toppen går inte. Men det var varm och så såg jag att den liksom hade glömt den där. Stoppade tillbaka den här i, så de var inte ur länge heller.
Det blir jävligt varm. De har på med den ett tag.
Nu är det liksom 5 minuter sedan jag stoppade i den igen.
Oh, shit.
Den är fortfarande inte varm.